How to convert PDF to Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert PDF into Word. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Word in your device or in your laptop. After that, now you can open your PDF. Head over to your left hand side and from there, click on Open. Now from the device, you have to open up the PDF document that you would like to change it into the Word. For example, I have this PDF right here. You have to click and open it up. Now you will see this kind of pop-up box in the interface. Here it says Word will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. So click on OK. And there you go. Now your PDF has been converted into the Word. So that's how you can change your PDF into Word. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.